So guys, make sure that you're on the correct Gmail account. In the top right, click on your profile icon. You want to select your correct Gmail account. Now once you've established that you're on the correct Gmail account, you want to check your spam folder. So click on the three lines in the top left. Then you want to scroll down and then click on spam. You want to see if your emails are going to your spam folder. If they are, then you can hold on the email. It will then be saying move to primary. It should then appear in your primary email folder. Another thing you can try, in the top left, you want to click on the three lines. Now you want to scroll down and then click on settings. You want to select your Gmail account. Now you want to scroll down until you find Sync Gmail. Make sure you have Sync Gmail ticked. It's under data usage. Sync Gmail, make sure you have that box ticked. See if that works. If that's still not working, you want to find the Gmail app. You want to hold it. And then this will come up. You want to click on the info button in the top right of this box that comes up here. Once this comes up, you want to scroll down until you find storage. Click on that. Now in the bottom right, you want to click on clear cache. It's then going to clear the Gmail cache. See if that works. For the next method, you want to go to the Play Store. You want to type in Gmail, click on it, and then click on Gmail again. If Gmail has an update, it's going to tell you can then update your Gmail. See if that works. If not, for the last method, you want to uninstall Gmail, then you want to reinstall it again.